Good morning, vlog day number 10. Ooh, my stomach is grumbling. And I have to go back to the mall today to go return my mom's 4th present. I had to stop going to the mall by myself because that's just stressing me out. But once again, I'm gonna go to the mall. They don't open till 10, so I still have to wait 30 more minutes. So I just got in the car. I am ready to go. Once again, I'm gonna try to vlog. Probably not. Probably gonna vlog in all like the more quiet places. I suck at it. I feel like people are gonna ask what I'm doing, when in reality, people don't care what I'm doing. Why am I like this? I don't know. I was gonna say my face is glowing, but I'm not glowing. Sadly, I'm not glowing. Oh my god. So I'm trying to find Marisha's Christmas present, but I can't find what I'm looking for. Kinda stressed. Maybe this will work. Why is everything so expensive? Oh my god. What the heck? These are the ones, but they're baby ones. Where are the adult ones? I'm looking for those jackets, but like in the adult size. But I'm in the baby section, so, or like the kid section. This is gonna be kind of hard. Wait. I found them. Hopefully these are the big kid ones. So these are the little kid ones, but I don't know. I think this will fit her. Nope, just gonna have to keep looking. Update, I found one, but it's not the right size. It's either a size too big or a size too small. So now I'm not sure. I'm looking for like my Christmas outfit. I chose a black one, but I'm not sure about it. I could just keep looking around. I know Hollister has these 2 really cute ones. They're kind of expensive, and I don't know. I guess I'll just keep shopping around. Yeah, most likely. So time for a dollar store haul. I spent $5.97. I got little mini Twix, Hershey Kisses. I love Kisses, like I love all of them. I need to go to like Target and get like all like the different flavors, like hot cocoa and like the Hugs, the one that's like vanilla and chocolate mix, just all of those. And I got 3 of the Pokemon trading cards. Fun fact about me, I love anything Pokemon related. I got my Person A Christmas card because I'm doing Secret Santa. Fun and fresh. All I need to do left is go to Walgreens and like buy my best friend's Christmas present or like pick it up, and then I'll be good. Like I finished shopping for every Christmas present that I needed, so I'm basically good to go. So after I pick up this last present, I should be good to go, which is great. Fun and fresh.
Why you gotta unbuckle me?
Unbuckle me.
Here, let me see your. Since you can't buckle yourself.
Excuse you, yes I can.
No, you can't. Think about it. You. What grade are you in? 4th grade, 3rd grade?
6th.
Oh, you in 6th grade?
What are those? My shoes.
Where are we? We are at the thrift store. I don't know. Christmas. What are you doing? Who is that? I know nothing about soccer. I don't know what flavors these are. Oh, they told me right. It's robope. Ugh, we don't stand her. Oh, these are all rum. There's mango. Pinatas. Oh, wow, you're so aesthetic. This is the holy grail for every Mexican. Tajin. Where's Valentina? Oh, I found it. I bought this one once, and it was gross.
Look, I found it.
What are you saying? Looking for garland, but I don't know what color. The red or the green? Or the silver? Look at the trees. Okay, I got a pretty good amount of things. Update. So when I said I sucked at vlogging and that like I was really scared to like vlog in stores, I was being serious. So that was a little bit stressful for me. That's why I only got like a couple of clips. Time for another dollar store haul. So I bought wrapping paper because I just need more. Why am I such a mess? So I bought a little Christmas tree. It's kind of ugly. I don't know if it's broken or not or how to work or any of that. So yeah, why are there so many leaves in my car? I just realized. I also bought some garland. I ended up getting the green one and some pom-poms just in case. Then this little like, it's supposed to be like a Christmas present box. And for my little tree, I bought like little bell ornaments. I also bought lights and some gold wire edged ribbon. And then of course, Scotch tape. And that's everything. Now I'm gonna have to go pick up my cousin. I'm also gonna need a trash can. Ooh, I have a bag right here. Literally, it's all working out. I made it to the high school. Now I'm just waiting for my cousin. I'm not gonna show her high school because why would I do that? Look at all these high schoolers. I remember when I was in high school. Not anymore.
You're vlogging?
That's for my vlogmas.
Nice.
How are you? Are you ready
good.
to go?
Yes.
This is my cousin Angelica. She was like the first person to be on my channel.
The OG.
The OG feature. Go. Go.
We're just gonna have to order normally. Shoot me in the face.
Hi, can I have a Sonic cheeseburger? But can we do no pickles and no onion on it? Oh, and no tomato, sorry.
It needs some mustard in them.
Can we do both?
Sure.
Wait, what do you want? Oh, sorry.
Ready to show order cards on the screen out there?
Yeah, looks pretty good.
I could give you 15 for you. Thank you.
Thank you. I'm just going to hope for the best. She's scared.
She yelled so loud. I was like, whoa.
She's like, welcome inside.
No, estaba.
Love that. I love mayonnaise, mustard, and ketchup. That's what I always get on my.
I don't like mayo.
I don't like pickles, onions, or tomatoes.
I love pickles too. I ate a whole jar by myself. First date, kind of nervous. That's funny. Everybody does that. I'm just me.
Aren't you surprised that I didn't get ice cream today?
Not really.
Well, you should be.
I'm sick, as you can tell. And I got my nails done in Mexico. And like,
they're so cute. I love them. These
these
cute.
beaners are like doing their good job.
I was like, ew, why are they growing out? But you just need a refill.
Yeah.
Hey, how y'all doing?
Good, how are you? Yes.
Alright, I'm gonna jump it in the bag for you.
Could be
Thank
like
you.
a lot. Break it.
Hopefully not. Thank you. Here's your change. Bum bum. It turned into a mukbang.
Which was yours and which was mine?
Well, I'm pretty sure mine has nothing on it. This is yours.
Oh, this is it.
I'm such a picky eater.
I said a lot. She just put like 5 in there. Get out of here. Why don't you take your brother out to lunch?
I don't know. I don't even know if he can go off campus. He's a sophomore. So I wouldn't be able to take him out till he's a junior.
He probably does self-camp for a long time.
No, he goes out all the time. They made it a new rule that if
you have a ride.
if you go out for junior or senior, then you can go out as a sophomore. I was like,
Nice.
that's stupid. How come I didn't get that?
I still went out when I was a sophomore. I didn't go eat lunch.
I was scared too.
I just walk out the front door and they didn't say anything to me. And this year that I'm actually a senior, they say stuff. They're like, where's your ID? It's like, really?
This is so good. I haven't had a burger in years.
How's that?
It's okay. I could do better.
There's this girl in my history class. Like, she's kind of weird. I feel like she's like gonna kill me one day. She like, every time I walk into the classroom, she has something nice to say about me. Like, she compliments me. And it's like nice at first, but then like, it starts getting creepy because it happens all the time. And she'll be complimenting on stuff that I'm just like, what the
Like?
She'd be like, oh my god, your hair looks so good. And I'm like, thank you. She's like, oh my god, I love your shirt. Thank you. Oh my god, your shoes are so nice. Thank you. And the other day, she's like, oh my god, I love your nails. I was like, thank you. She's like, you always have them done so nicely. And I'm just like, no, I don't. I just think she's trying to kidnap me. That's what I think.
What are you doing next week?
I don't know. Yeah. And I was like, I waved at him, and he just like,
I don't know how to get home.
you said that last time.
I don't know how I got home. I don't even know how I got here. Because I went from my school. Because normally when I get here, I leave my house and just go straight. It's time to say adios because I'm gonna take the tape off and put my GPS on. Alright, so I'll see you guys back at the mall.
Back at the mall.
Bye.
Bye.
So I just bought my mom's new present. So I'm doing a swapperoo with my dad. He's gonna give her the Daisy perfume that I bought. I'm just gonna give her the makeup case that I bought for her because she saw this, I think, Tuesday. We don't ever travel, so I don't really know why she wants that. But she does, and that's what I got her. I'm just gonna hit up one more dollar store and see what else I could buy. And yeah, and then tomorrow we're gonna go to Hobby Lobby and see what else I can buy there. And I forgot to show you guys that my Shutterfly order came in, so I got all my pictures that I'm going to use to basically change that out and make it Christmassy, so I'm excited. My phone's about to die, so I don't know if I should switch over to like the big camera. Let's put together a Christmas tree. Oh my god, this is so cute. Wow, for $1, this is kind of nice. Keyword is kind of. It's a little naked tree, and if you know me, you know that I don't like little naked trees. You're not gonna get much for $1, so learn to love it. All I need for that is a tree topper. So now what's next? I bought mugs, like Christmas mugs. I'm gonna trade out my not Christmas mugs for them. Ta-da! So this one says, "'Tis the season to be jolly," and this is just a whole bunch of cute little penguins, and these go right here. And they go right here. I didn't trade out this one because these are all like brushes that I don't really use, and I can easily hide it with this one. Just a couple more things to go, and then we plug it in. Fun!